how to play Geometry Dash on the Nintendo Switch 2. First, you want to go into your settings, so click on System Settings, then you will navigate to Internet Settings. Now, right here, you want to wait for your connection to pop up. So we're just going to wait for our internet. Okay, click on it, and then you want to go and select Change Settings. Once you select Change Settings, scroll down until you see DNS Settings, change this to Manual, and you want to type this. The primary DNS is going to be 044.055.142.122, and the secondary DNS is going to be 000.000.000.000. Okay, so now you want to click on Save, and now it's going to connect us to the internet. So searching for networks, okay, and you want to click on Connect to the internet. Now, if you want to reverse those, it's going to tell us that we don't have an internet connection. You just got to change back your DNS to automatic, and then you will press on Connect to the internet. Now, as you can see, we have this, and you want to search here for Geometry Dash. So Geometry Dash. Okay, so DASH, and you want to type online. Okay, so just find online, and okay. Now once you search for it, it's going to show you Google results, and you will see Geometry Dash online. So once you press on it here, it's going to load up the online version, and here you should be able to play the game itself. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.